Welcome back to the show, guys. Now it's that time of the show where we check out this week's Caribbean music video. Let's head on over to Antigua to check out the latest from Ricardo Drue.
But only 2 tickets to my name. By the end of the night, I sure to get in. And I right in front of the stage. Now that I get in here, that's the way I leave it. I gonna do whatever it takes. Cause I went in on the brief on mine, yeah. Cause I come to mash up the place. I have to go every all inclusive. Better go do this. And I go drink until I'm clueless. I have to do this. I on every boat rider cruising. Better go do this. In every better I've been foolish. I have to do this. I jump in the fence. Tell them I have to do this. I bust in the bar. Tell them I have to do this. And now when I'm down, down, down. Tell them I have to do this. And when I'm done, tell them I have to do it. It's true. Nothing more than you. Let me not drinking more than you. Let me not nothing more than you. Drinking more than you. Let me not nothing more than you. Let me not drinking more than you. Let me not nothing more than you. I am fun. You are ready to find the next one. Cause I got to make my name. I'm gonna be out there until everything done. This year I go change the game. Don't mind I'm calling you, but it's wrong, my beating. I'm gonna have a smile on my face.
We have another delicious protein shake in this week's segment of Premix with Lasco. Hey guys, this week we'll be going into Lasco Protein Shakes. And this week we're going to try out the Lasco Creamy Peanut Butter Chocolate Shake. So here it goes. So for the Lasco Creamy Peanut Butter Chocolate Shake, we'll use 2 scoops of chocolate whey protein, 1 teaspoon of creamy peanut butter, 2 cups of non-fat milk or V-soy, 1 pack of Lasco Creamy, and a cup of ice. Now it's that time where we check out which songs made it to the Pree Dis top 10 charts.
League them a play, them a juggle. Adi you go couple everybody before second half. All when you buy like a ticket, you no stand a chance. You buy your friend them with pada dance. Me a strike, bill, no license them. Your poison, your stifle, you knock out a Tyson. You get up, you frightened.
Object bingo, another one bingo, object bingo. Can't do it up on the phone 'cause you don't know the thing. Object bingo, not chest make a limbo. Object bingo.
Now my head, me can't do a deal without I good. Now my head, so we killing it, we up at the bloody pig. Batman lucky street, parrot have to watch your bitch. Every day and not every week, I'll cheer for me and free.
You really have a nerve. My youth, your mouth and your yours. Where you a call me name. For where you a call me name, sir. Where you a call me name. For where you a call me name, sir.
So what if my wife a party? What if my wife a party? Live your life before you lost it.
Ready? Ajibongs to the world now. To the dance floor, do the ajibongs. Throw the dance about everybody a bounce. Come on. Bounce, we a bounce 4 weeks and the bounce. Take the dance floor.
Anyhow, I don't beg for now. Weed is my best friend, and me no want see no next friend. Dog, weed is my best friend. Some boy where you talk and I lip, me not trust them. Weed is my
Hustling out for the party, work all week, so tonight we a party. We love to party, yeah we love to party. Look, y'all come, yes I no shawty. We not go to no regular party, we work all week, so tonight we a party.
That's the echo when you grab a schema like like Shabba Motherpot. Shot fire, every man a drop flat. Everybody's trapped, every pan a knock. Feel like the rims and the Cadillac.
I'm in a sell out, my friends, them need that. Enough of them lose them soul for gain the world. When I switch for the table turn. When you talk about boys, it marry up, dear one friend them. Me know I the Almighty send them. Cause when me read me Bible, Christ never left him disciples. And if I want food, me have man share that. Set the box cover ya, tear that. Them a play my song before people.
And that is how we end this week's show. I'm your host, Michaela Leeanna. Thanks to Endless Summer Boutique, Shop 7, Manor Park Plaza for this beautiful outfit. Thanks to you for tuning in, and we'll see you next week.